So, Bafet, I'm actually thinking right now, since Bafana Bafana is about to face Nigeria, and due to the match that we played against Lesotho, Nigamo, we got injured, and by the way, I hope we will like recover anytime soon. And then that led up, Ogotiba call up our boy as Nation, Tabuso Munyane, arguably the best right back current in the country. So yeah, Tabiso Munyane ukole up, and the thing is that I know most of us most of Kosi fans, not Kosi fans only, South African football lovers, I believe they'll be expecting Tabiso Munyane to actually start up the match available against Nigeria. And then me too, as like a Kosi fan, okay, let me just say this. Who will start between Umtunyela and Tabiso Munyane? Me, I believe Umtunyela will start the match. First of all, the reason for that it's because uyele wabavele uhlale vele squad. We spend the days with vele squad about much more. And then another thing had like a beautiful performance against Lesotho. So, but I'm not saying which is better in surely. And then as a Kosi fan vele I'll be subjective right now. I don't want to Tabiso Munyane ukuthi like abe injured. The reason for that is because we're playing against Nigeria, and those boys are big. Like Nabona, like Kamachi is like Nigerians, like they're just big, players up, and they're more aggressive. So that might cause into a problem available, which might lead to injury for Tabiso Munyane. And then God forbid that doesn't happen, and somehow we're able to just destroy my team. But who's gonna be a best candidate for? Yeah, I think because Mutinyela has more physique, but attacking wise, I'll prefer Munyane. So yeah, I think Mutinyela is gonna start. And yeah, tell me what you think, y'all. Comment.